is work? Are you doing work when you are walking up the stairs, punching a bottled water, or pushing a car? According to hyperphysics, work is simply the act that refers to an activity which involves force and movement in the direction of a force. Here are some situations and we're going to find out if work exists. Is there work when you are pushing a shopping cart in a grocery store? Yes, there is work. Is there work when you are trying to push a car and it doesn't move? No, there is no work.
So work is a physical quantity that is present when a force causes an object to be displaced in a certain direction. So work is the product of force and displacement. So although force and displacement are both vector quantities, work is actually a scalar quantity because the dot product of those two vectors is actually a scalar. So common misconception kasi yun na since force and displacement are vector, yung product nila magiging vector din. So, work is actually a scalar quantity. So, yung force na yun at yung displacement, kailangan they are on the same axis. So, for example, naglalakad ka lang along x-axis. Yung weight mo along y-axis, pero yung displacement mo along x-axis. So, wala kang work na ginagawa.
Work exists when the direction of the force and displacement is parallel. What is power?
Power is related to work because power is defined as the rate in which work is done. Yung unit ng power is joule per second. Equivalent siya sa 1 watt. So, most of the time, ginagamit din yung unit na horsepower. And 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts.
If more work is done in a certain period of time, the value of power is higher and vice versa. Therefore, power and efficiency is directly proportional. What is energy? According to hyperphysics, energy is a capacity for doing work.
Energy is defined as the ability to do work. And we have the work energy theorem which states that work is equal to a change in an object's kinetic energy. So when we talk about work and energy, so most of the time we deal with mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the sum of an object's potential and kinetic energies. So an object's gain in potential energy results from the loss of kinetic energy and vice versa. Kaya an object in motion will always have the same mechanical energy. And just like work, the unit of energy is joules.
Kinetic energy, or the energy due to motion, is equal to 1/2 times the mass and the square of the velocity of the object. Potential energy, or the energy possessed by an object is equal to the product of the mass, gravitational force, and the height of the object from a reference point. According to the law of conservation of energy, energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. In conclusion, work, power, and energy are all part of our existence, provided that we exert energy for us to do something. Like when we go to class in the morning, drive a car, push a door open, and up to the end of the day when we go home, these three exist.